The Malagasy Lutheran Church have been named officially in Malagasy short name FLM, or in English Malagasy Lutheran Church MLC. The name is taken in November 1950. The Malagasy Lutheran Church have been founded by three missionary societies. First one, Norwegian Missionary Society. It means missionaries from Norway sent by NMS. They came first here in Madagascar in 1866. That's why we have the first Malagasy Lutheran Church in Betafu in 1867. This is the reason why we will celebrate 150 years of Malagasy Lutheran Church. So we will celebrate the 500 years of Reformation and 150 years of Malagasy Lutheran Church. And we have also the missionaries from America. They sent by American Lutheran Church ALC. Actually, it names Evangelical Lutheran Church of America. And we have also the missionaries. They came here in 1888. And we have the missionaries from France. They sent by Association Auxiliary of Mission, Lutheran Mission. They came here in 1897. Right now, the church have 25 synods. Around all parts of Madagascar and abroad in Europe and in America, FLM led by church president and its board members who collaborate with counselor, the 25 synod president. And we are working closely with the executive committee in the national office, in the synod office, in the district and the parishes and congregation offices. The church have at least 4 million members, and we are working with 8 departments in our church, and we have technical departments and coordination to fulfill the Malagasy Lutheran Church mission. We are very glad to have everything in our church and to celebrate the 500 years of Reformation and 150 years of Malagasy Lutheran Church.